Exploring English, the meaning of stepping in puddles. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, stepping in puddles. It's a simple phrase that paints a vivid picture, but as we'll see, it can hold different meanings depending on the context. So, let's jump right in and splash around in the understanding of this interesting expression. Stepping in puddles refers to the act of placing one's foot into a shallow pool of water on the ground. Puddles usually form after rain when water collects in depressions on a surface. This action can be accidental or deliberate. Children, for instance, often enjoy jumping and stepping in puddles for fun, splashing water around. On the other hand, adults might accidentally step in a puddle, potentially getting their feet wet and uncomfortable. Beyond its literal interpretation, stepping in puddles can also be used metaphorically to describe a situation where someone is entering into a problem or messy situation without fully understanding the consequences. It can imply a lack of preparation or awareness about potential challenges or complications. In this sense, the puddles symbolize minor troubles or obstacles that one might encounter in life or a specific task. 1. Literal usage. After the storm, the children were seen stepping in puddles, laughing as the water splashed around. 2. Figurative usage. He realized too late that taking on the project without prior experience was like stepping in puddles. Every step forward seemed to present a new challenge. The phrase, stepping in puddles, can also be found in songs, literature, and movies, often used to evoke a sense of nostalgia, childhood innocence, or the minor troubles one faces in life. It's a versatile expression that can add depth to storytelling, illustrating both the joys and trials of everyday experiences. Whether it's the literal joy of splashing water around or the metaphorical representation of navigating through life's small challenges, stepping in puddles enriches our language with its vivid imagery and nuanced meanings. We hope this exploration has given you a deeper appreciation for this phrase and inspires you to notice the puddles, both real and figurative, in your own journey. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes, a little splash can make the journey all the more memorable. See you in our next video.